Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to promote special Amazon deals in Gizzmo. Gizzmo is a powerful WordPress plugin with which you can create AI-generated affiliate content to promote Amazon products. Now, if you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial on how to set up your Gizzmo account. So I'm logged into this demo WordPress website. Click on Gizzmo AI in the left side panel. And these are all of the types of articles you can create in Gizzmo. I'll click on Deals, and it'll bring you to this page. Initially, you won't see anything here. It will just be blank. This is a test deals page that I created. So the first thing we need to do is create a deals page. So I'll click on Add another deal post. You'll probably see a button that says Add Deal Post. First, you need to choose a featured image. There are a few options to choose from, but you can also change this later, and I'll show you how. So I'll use this featured image. Next, we need to give it a page title. I'll go with limited time Amazon deals. Next, we need to add a description. Let me scroll down. Here you need to enter your Amazon affiliate tag. This allows you to earn affiliate commissions. Next, add categories here. You can add multiple categories using commas. I'll just use one. Here you can choose the language. I'll stick with the default English. And finally, I'll click on Save as Draft. It'll then save the post and then bring you to this page. Now we need to add the Amazon products to the deals page. So click on Select Post, and you'll be brought to this page. These are the Amazon products that I added. Now for the deals post, currently you can only add Amazon products from the Amazon's Today's Deals page. So let me show you what I mean. I'm logged into my Amazon account, and in the top menu, you'll need to click on Today's Deals, and here's a page where you'll find the products to promote. So let's head back to WordPress. Like I said earlier, these are the products that I added. I'll click this Add button to add the first product. And as you can see, it's been added here. Let me scroll down. So you have a featured image here. And you can change the image by using these other options if you need to. I'm just going to leave it as is. Down below, you can edit the title, the list price, the average price, and the description. I'll leave them as is. And then further down below, you can add some badges. I'll use these two by checking the boxes. And then finally click Publish Deal. As you can see, it's added the product here. Next, I'll click on this Add button to add the next product. I'll leave all of these details as is. Choose the badge, and then click Publish Deal. So I went ahead and added the second product now. Similarly, I went ahead and added the other two products. You can drag and drop the products to rearrange the products like so if you need to. You can also delete a specific product if you want to by clicking this Delete button. And then finally click on Save Deals Changes. You'll be brought to this page, and as you can see, this is the deals page we just created. You can click on Posts in the left side panel, which will then take you to all of your saved posts. This is a deals post we just created, and if you hover your mouse over it, you can click this Edit link, and it will open the draft post in WordPress. This is the native WordPress Gutenberg editor. And here's how the deals page with the products looks like. Yours may look a bit different depending on the WordPress theme you're using. And you can also edit the content if you need to. So let me cover a few settings in the right side panel. You can hover your mouse over this featured image, click Replace, and then select one from your media library or upload a new one. I'm just going to leave it as is, so I'll close the media library box. Again, in this right side panel, you can add an excerpt by clicking this link and then adding it into this box. So I'll go ahead and add it here and then close this dialog box. Again, in the right side panel, I'll scroll down and I'll change the categories. So this post is under tech. Further down, you can add relevant tags. Earlier, I just added one tag, so I went ahead and added a few related tags. And finally, you can click the publish button at the top once you're happy and ready to publish this post. So let me show you how the blog post or the deals page came out. And here's how it came out. It looks a bit different compared to the other articles, but overall a simple layout, and all of the images and buttons will have your Amazon affiliate link. And if you need to, you can still edit the content of this page. You can check the link in the description section. You can try Gizzmo for free. You'll find the link in the description section. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.